Kani kedai ke Batisi TV, bat pidang pet ya ke kubur baman kasni, belawan rasa pi tak ke rupa, ringkat bat ke Orange Nissan, lom sokpo near Fire Brigade Shillong.
New Nissan Kicks. Bookings open now.
Menteri Sarkar Jelau bakmi ikatnan ke bapenya ki kam ki bedai, bat ki jingja habawan lenshop ki buat kemariang. Ubakar menshela udan ke jingtemu ban penklanya ke rukam terekam, jong ke State Disaster Management Authority. Yakane ubakar menshela ula penpau, lengba ka Batisi TV ha ke jikran kerpang, bat ha ke santarek mentau nailar arhajar ke kendai, ha ke kamera terekam jung ha Secretariat Shillong. Une Menteri Sarkar ulai tu, baka State Disaster Management Authority, kumba kalong menta kadangduna kinong tray kentop rui ki officer. Bat halor kane unsaikan bat Menteri Rangba kejela ukonrat ke sangma, halor ke jingdon kam ban pentri kam purano ya ka State Disaster Management Authority jangkani kejela Meghalaya. Kat kam ka kaipot lengba ka hok ban tep ne ka RTI ka balapan da ka sengsan partai khon hanyo trap National Awakening Movement house name balala lalap ba ha ka State Disaster Management Authority amdan watang weiru nong tray niki officer.
Actually now they are preparing for that service role. So based on that, then later on we can we can put enroll those people. Last time, if you remember in the house also assembly, it's been mentioned that 105 or something, 105 or 108. I'm not exactly. I don't remember the number. No, that is for Mr. Roll. This what Kalasius and all. So those also we can enroll them if we have that service role. So we tried recently asking these officers which way it can be done. They said we have to wait for this. We cannot just do it. We have to wait until unless we are done with the service role. We cannot appoint anyone. As you mentioned, manpower. Yes, we are shortage of manpower. But the thing is that we are still on the move as we are preparing for this service role. So after that, so maybe we can appoint those manpower required. Actually, last time, recently, I asked our Chief Minister that we should have a meeting. So since he was busy all these days, we couldn't fix a meeting with him, between him, the officers, and me, myself, together. So that is pending actually. So based on that, after that meeting, that is we are planning to improve disaster management through that only. After what plan should be taken, any action plan. So we are waiting for that meeting with Sarkar. Actually, he's ready. There are times that when he's here, I'm not this side, and when I'm here, he's not this side. That is one thing. Not much. We don't do now. That is last time I remember you asking me for that same thing. So for that also we are waiting for that meeting. And based on that, if required is there, requirement is there, but we will have to look at what equipment is available are present with us and what is required more. So based on that, we have to request. List has been listed now. So that list which we will be placed first in front of our Chief Minister. So based on that, then we have to send out the list of those equipment and what is required. Not we don't have yet. So that I think maybe we have to tie up with some other state who have that, maybe NDRF and all, because they'll be having that. So I think we have to tie up with them. So if required, then actually from our side, what steps can be taken is that we have to work more different departments are involved there. So okay, if this disaster, what happened, then that is encouragement and all. So to say, maybe by what to say, urban, encouragement of all these things. Plus, you have to go urban, so maybe urban also have to take care for that. So based on that, we cannot just say that I am the right person to apply for this. But still, if anything found that through encouragement, if our team found that, then we have to request urban affairs that this is what happened because of this calamities happen. So it should be removed or it should be that we can request or maybe direct it to them. So based on that, they are the one to take the steps to remove if possible. So, but here very difficult because the land system. Habdon kata kami same dah. Ban perkat not only for us, ban perkat dia berapa. Otherwise, leda ngah perkatan yang leda, then I'll construct a house near the river, then I'll shut it down. Automatically, that is not doesn't affect only for those people; it affects for me as well. So we should know that. So usually, I believe that they don't give up on CO2, so they understand. Nomor hari pertama utama short lifespan 60-70 years. So what will we do with those land, those money, whatever we have? Kadang indon kata chung sai next day to me. So we have to have a heart and feelings for others too.